you can see, I already have my brows and I have my base on for my eyeshadow. I had to think about it. Ooh. But so as you saw, I am going to be doing a casual get ready with me. I'm a little under the weather. My sinuses are acting up, and my aunt's birthday was yesterday, so we're supposed to be going to lunch at 3. So I'm going to quickly get myself together because it's 1:45. And I want to record so y'all can see how I do my, basic looks, because, I don't want to be extra. So for this video, oh God, I don't know how I set this up, but I set it up weird. But I will be using the Warrior collection from Juvia's Place. So it's the Warrior and the Warrior 2. I'm going to be doing a burgundy brownish gold look. So like the base of it is going to be burgundy, but I'm going to like splatter some gold on top. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to go in with the color Kufuru. That's going to pretty much be the base for my entire eye. Alright, so now I have my base on. The next color I'm going to go in with is Jamata, and this is also from the Warrior 2 palette. So I'm still in the same palette. Okay, now that I have that on, I do want to go back in with my brush that I use for the brown and kind of blend that out. Now I'm going to take my Warrior palette and pick one of these golds. I think I'm going to use Idea. So I think that'll be a pretty color on top. Okay, now I'm going to take a brush that kind of has this red on it and smudge that out. Alright, now I am going to go in with my Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner in the color Black by NYX, and this will bring this look together. Because like I said, this is a very basic look. I'm not trying to do a lot, just something quick and to the point so that my face is done for today. Alright, so eyeliner done, and like I said, that really brings the look together. This is definitely a very easy look. Even if you're a beginner, you should be able to do this look on yourself. So I'm going to put my mascara on. This is the Benefit Bad Gal mascara. And it's legit my favorite mascara. Like, my favorite. Alright. Look at me. Alright, so now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and put on the rest of my face. Y'all already know how I do all of that. So I'm not going to string y'all along through that. And I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I decided not to put lashes on because, like I told y'all, I'm not feeling too hot anyway. So this is what we're going for. I left my hair down for a change. And y'all, we're gonna get it together eventually. But this is what we look like. And then I'm gonna give y'all a full body right now. There it is on the side. You know, give you a little twirl. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. And remember to always stay chic.